In this video, we'll learn how to make this sort of portrait photo like professional retouch like this. So if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. So this is our main image, and now we'll do skin retouch of this image. Press Ctrl J and J, 2 copies. So one is edit, another one is sharp. Fine. In this edit option, we'll make it convert to smart object. So select this edit layer, going to the filter and then going to the noise and median. So in this case, I'm making this one 20 pixel. That's fine, and hit OK. So after that, going to the filter again and we'll add noise for the skin texture. So adding noise, that is 5 to 7 is good, and hit OK. So this noise is too much, we'll make it reduce and moderate. Going to the filter again and blur and then Gaussian blur. So Gaussian blur value will make it 1.5. That's fine, and hit OK. So now after that, take a blank layer, going to the edit option, going to the fill, and then we'll choose 50% gray and hit OK. And then we'll make it overlay. That's fine. And now we'll make it the convert to smart object. Fine. Now sharp layer, we'll turn it on, and after that going to the filter and then going to the other and then high pass. High pass value will be 0.8, not too much, and hit OK. Now going to the blend mode and make it vivid light. So now we'll make group these 3 layer, and after that we'll mask it out and press I for the inverse. That's fine, and make this one white. Because of this one is a black mask, we'll have to make this one white mask. And then going to the brush and taking the soft brush, first one, and brush percentage would be 50 and the flow should be 70. That's fine. And make this one a little bit of bigger and smaller when we are making the brush into the skin. So we'll take time to make this brush because of the skin texture, smoothing and everything depends on this brush technique. So if you don't provide time to brush this portion, your portrait won't be the perfect polished like that. So you will have to take time to reduce noise, reduce the spots and everything. If you provide too much time to do that, it will provide you the final output that is amazing. So I'm going to the little bit of fast forward because of it will take time. So one thing is that right press and going to the blending options, and here is the underlining layer. You have to divide by pressing Alt or Option button and adjusting those things because of that depends on the shadow and highlight, and hit OK. So let's see, the before one was like that and after one you are getting like this. So you can do any sort of the prominent spot healing or skin retouch like a pro. You can follow my steps. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.